Tomorrow is the big match.
And this bat looks very special.
I will try my best. Stay calm and enjoy the game.
The bat is gone.
That is impossible. We will find it together.
I hope we are not too late.
Look, it is a message. Who left this here? I think this is a riddle.
Then let us solve it together.
Did you see that?
Yes, something is inside.
It is another clue.
We are getting closer.
What if we never find it?
We will not give up. There is another message.
How did we miss that?
Look at this drawing. It matches the clue.
These footprints go somewhere.
And this ribbon is a clue.
I saw someone near the field yesterday.
Who was he? There is another clue.
This was hidden on purpose.
A coach used clues like these long ago.
Then this may be connected to him.
We came all this way for nothing. Maybe we missed something. We are not lost.
We were reading it wrong. Look at that picture.
The symbol is there too. This sounds different.
It feels like advice. So nobody stole it?
Maybe this was planned from the beginning.
One person made all these clues.
So someone planned everything. I found a journal!
And another clue.
The clues are connected!
You figured it out!
The lessons match the clues.
Now we understand the challenge. Will you help us search?
Of course we will!
Everyone has a job.
And every clue matters. There is a box!
I think we are getting close.
I feel like I let everyone down. You are not alone. The team is your strength. I think I understand. This was never only about the bat.
I think you are right.
Are you Coach Harrison?
Yes, I am. You have one final challenge.
We will solve it.
I know where we need to go.
Then let's hurry.
I found a map!
This has to be it.
The chest is real.
I think we found it.
Another challenge.
I think the clues have the answer.
Let's check the symbols.
I know the code.
Try it.
We found it.
I knew we could do it.
We can do this together. Yes, we can. There is another clue.